I don't have. So the time is somewhere around, let me check, 1803. Let me check. 1803. And I must have woke up somewhere around 16:30. So now, when I got the answer of my petition, so now is the next step. So people over here, what they did, they started getting into my house, and so they have some personal rivalry among themselves. So I thought of like let people work over here, but because of their personal rivalry, what they were doing, they were targeting me. They smashed my portable too. So I thought of like helping them means it's a long life trouble for me. It's a long life trouble. They did the portable smashing. So it's a long life trouble for me if I help them. Getting this right. So I cannot back them up if anything is produced because they want Bollywood to have that content. I mean the production. They want to sell the data and they want to make money. They don't. They are not career oriented. I got it. So it's all about their money thing. So that's the reason I have to. What do you call it? I am right on the face. Where I am wrong? Tell me. They wanted to make their career. I thought of like, okay, I'll give them a push. What do you call it? But they don't want to make their career. They want to sell the data and make money. Then I would have done it 3 years back. Huh? Why I'll give the money to them? They don't want career. They want money. And for that money, they made my nude. They did many stupid things. And the best stupid thing was they smashed portable. So I cannot back them. These are backstabbers. They'll be, what do you call it, with a knife behind my back all their life, all my life. They will be this way. You cannot trust such people. So next is how you can get them. What do you call it? The one who sold the data. Those are probably prostitutes. Prostitution racket has been, and they have the J7 stolen and the dead phone. Isn't this right? Where the bank transaction is done. And these guys are connected to Chembur West. And Chembur West people are prostitutes. That means this is a prostitution racket connected to Chembur West prostitution racket. That's why the sex videos were made from those phones. So and that's how the papers, animated stolen papers came here. So I gotta do the right thing. My next step should be putting them in prostitution. Yes, right. Because of their own personal rivalry, I cannot, what do you call it? They are not career oriented. They wanted to sell the data and make money. So I kind of piss off, man. That's what the transaction and all this stuff is happening. I'm a fucking career-oriented fellow. Who are these people? So anyways, my next step should be, now I got clearance to work. Now it's the put and grip on these prostitutes which are in the bank transaction. So they cannot disturb me. So next step will be this. These prostitutes who stole the data and sold it. So next step is that. And if production is helping them, it's good enough. It's damn good. Production says that he's running this bank fraud and sextortion racket. If production is helping them, bank fraud, prostitution, and sextortion racket. So my next step is now when I got the clearance to work, next step is getting this crap out of my life. So, and there will be more steps in the end. Putting this prostitute racket, sextortion racket, bank fraud racket in front of the world, their faces, their names should be out there. What if they try to do? They don't go to jail or go to jail, I don't give a damn. But they shouldn't do this to anyone out. So, their names, their faces should be out there. So that's my next step. So they want to say that I gave them permission to sell and distribute in prostitutes. Piss off. So my next step. Now when I get the answer for my petition, now it's the time to answer the one who been after me, one who makes my sex videos, keeps a clone phone and does a bank fraud from it and defames and blackmails me.